तमन्ना, ट्रेलर में हमने देखा कि आप लेट होते हो, तो ऐसा कभी हुआ है लाइफ में किसी मेजर इवेंट के लिए जहाँ नहीं होना चाहिए था बट आप लेट हो गए और फिर उसके बाद में आपने एकदम बहुत ही गंदा एक्सक्यूज दिया which no one bought?
Yeah, but I think we've all, हम मुंबई में रहते हैं तो
हाँ.
being late does happen, but yeah, I've been unfashionably late once or twice, but it was, I don't even remember why it was, but then I don't give an excuse. मैं बता देती हूँ कि ये हुआ, अभी लेट हो ही तो अभी what are you gonna do?
और कभी ऐसा जानबूझ करके लेट हुए हो
No,
कि नहीं मैं
I'm
लेट ही
actually,
जाऊंगी?
in life I'm very punctual. So if I actually get late, it's normally for something serious. But otherwise, I don't want to be late. I'd never want to be late. Someday we will all be late, but not today.
ओह,
That's
Oh.
dark.
That just went dark.
हम डार्क ह्यूमर में कब चले गए ये पता नहीं चला। नकुल, आपके साथ में हुआ ऐसा कभी?
क्या चीज?
जानबूझ करके लेट गए हो किसी जगह पर?
हाँ, मैं when I was dating my ex-girlfriend, now wife, I was so eager. I just reach every date very early. I thought that just must come out like, you know, who was that character in Dil Chahta who would remember
That's so
every
cute.
date?
That's so
Subodh.
sweet.
I know. So, but like I thought the third time maybe it's just very eager. So I kind of went outside the coffee shop and she came and I just walked around and I was
You
about a
waited
minute. I was
to
about a
get
minute late. Yeah, but
उसको लेट नहीं कहते हैं।
नहीं.
sorry यार, मैं मुझसे इतना ही हो पाता है।
तो आप ये कहना चाह रहे हो आप दिल चाहता के सुबोध थे?
मैं था, फिर मैं डायन और तमन्ना से मिला और अब मैं नवीन बन गया हूँ।
और डायना, आप कभी जानबूझ करके कहीं लेट पहुंचे हो?
See, now when you travel every day from Baikala to Andheri, Mud Island, Goregaon, whether you like it or not, now you're always late. Sometimes you leave 2 hours in advance also. You know, I'm like, today I'm not going to be late. I'm going to leave extra early so that I reach early. Traffic, you know, then suddenly something on the highway, procession, late, rain, flood. There's no way to predict it. I'm just always late.
कितनी एक्सट्रीम कंडीशंस में, वेदर कंडीशंस में आपने काम किया हुआ है इस सीरीज की फिल्मिंग के दौरान? ऐसा हुआ आपके साथ में जैसे हमको
Many
कहा जाता है?
summers in Mud Island as Naveen has
There was
just
one
enlightened us.
scene. There was one scene in the show. We both are in sort of a room, in like evening gowns, and I swear to God, but we were dripping.
Yeah.
Like in the frame we look like हमने नहाया है, अभी किसी ने हम पे पानी डाला है और हम frame में खड़े हैं, and it is so weird because I've never looked like that before on camera.
No, it's true. Like this whole,
It was
and the thing
weird.
is, we shot in April and May.
Yeah, so it's like the worst.
So it was, the humidity was over like
Omelette पक जाता
ridiculous.
हमारे
Like that,
सर पे,
I used
like
to
it was
say
that-
that I could fry an egg on my
Yeah,
nose because my nose would just be like oily. So we've had very unglamorous moments on this show.
ऐसा हो नहीं सकता। वैसे ये सुंदर लड़के और सुंदर लड़कियों की सबसे मॉडेस्ट बात होती है, अरे हम लग रहे थे एकदम कम ग्लैमरस, बट इन आवर लाइक हार्ट वी नो दैट मैं हमेशा सुंदर दिखता हूँ या फिर सुंदर दिखती हूँ। ऐसा